see that, but someone else. All right, y'all better stay tuned.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another one, just to give a quick review on my experience of the Vevor 2-ton engine hoist, engine lift. In the process of rebuilding or not rebuilding, but restoring somewhat of a 1963 Cadillac drop top. 390 engine in it, transmission. Does not shift from second to third. You might have seen that in a previous video that I posted. However, I have a 5.3 with a 4L60, resealed the 5.3 with new seals, timing chain. Gonna put new spark plugs, new exhaust, fresh paint job, clean it up, put new paint on it, and other little odds and ends just to freshen it up a little bit. And that's going to go into the car. But in order for me to be able to do that, I had to purchase one of these. Bought the engine and transmission off Marketplace. The gentleman had a tractor on his property, so I was able to take it out and set it in my trailer on one of my tires, strap it down, bring it home. But I didn't have this, so I set it in the trailer for a little bit until I received this via Amazon and put it all together. Wish I recorded that. Anyways, this is the engine lift, hoist, whatever, 2-ton. It's in its somewhat compact state for storage, or just to kind of get it out of the way, just to make a little bit more room. I'm gonna throw the legs down so you can see what it looks like in its natural state. Okay, so one flaw I do notice with this Vevor is when you take those bolts out, and I'm on my phone, so bear with me. I'm gonna take this off the stand and get you a little bit closer. So these holes that the legs actually set in do not line up. And that's just because these wheels are a little taller than those wheels. And maybe I have the wrong wheels where they need to be at. However, it worked for what I needed it. As you can see, it's somewhat, I guess it's well built, you know. Let me get a tape measure just to see how thick that is. Bear with me. So I say just 3/16 on that part, and this is super thin right here. That's roughly an 1/8 of an inch. So this piece right here is an 1/8 of an inch, 3/16, and then you got, you know, your little braces. Overall, it did what I needed to do. One thing I do notice is if you ever have to bring it all the way out to a 1/2 ton, it's going to put that arm a little bit past the actual feet out here. And I don't know if that's going to pose any kind of balancing issues, if it's going to be too far forward where this bag end will want to raise up. However, I don't think I'll ever need to take it out that far. Hopefully I don't. But this is the Vevor Amazon engine lift 2-ton. Got any comments? Drop them in there. Questions the same. Hope this video was informational for any one of you. Again, I am going to constantly keep dropping more videos. Anytime I'm out here doing something and I feel that someone can make use of it or help someone out. So thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell. Later, guys.